So really, 3 beses lang tayo magkikita. Okay? That's 1 hour in 1 week. So I think that's very doable, diba? That's all the time it takes to go through this together. What actually happens during our free Bible studies? That's a great question. Okay? So, no pressure, no sales pitch. No one's trying to get you to join anything. Simple lang, gagawin natin. We open the Bible, tapos sabay nating basahin. Tinitingnan natin kung ano yung actual na sinasabi dun sa Bible. We look at the context. Tapos you can ask honest questions and sundan na natin kung saan papunta yung text, yung written words. That's it. Okay? Kasi yan din naman yung example na mababasa natin sa Bible eh. Diba? Sa Acts 17 verse 11, anong sabi dyan? The Bereans, they received the message with great eagerness, excited, very happy, and they carefully examine the scriptures every day to make sure that what they are hearing was really the truth. And yan lang din yung gagawin natin. Kasi that's an example. Followers tayo, di ba? That's an example. So, all we have to do is just follow. Very simple. So, I will be bringing to you the message and, we open the Bible together. In this case, we will be doing it online. So, you can open the Bible app on your end. I will open my Bible app on our end, on my end. Then we read it together. Pero, most importantly, gagawin natin yan, ganyang setup so that ikaw mismo, you can examine the Bible yourself. Kung ako, yung mga sinasabi ko, sinasabi ko lang ba to kasi gusto ko lang sabihin, or dahil yan talaga yung nababasa. Okay? So, Bible study, it should center on understanding the scripture honestly and carefully. Okay? Not our opinion, not a tradition, just the scripture lang. Okay? And ganito siya kasimple. You pick 1 hour, any day, anytime, na yung 1 hour na kaya mong i-commit, na kaya mong i-follow consistently every week. Okay? Pero of course, we need to coordinate schedules kasi may full-time job din ako, so we need to coordinate pa din. And then we jump on a Google Meet. Anyway, that's a completely free app that we can use, and then we study together online. Okay? 1 hour a week, 3 weeks, 3 sessions. That's the whole series. Tapos, ganun lang. So really, 3 beses lang tayong magkikita. Okay? That's 1 hour in 1 week. So I think that's very doable. Diba? That's all the time it takes to go through this together. If ever you've had questions about what the Bible really teaches on this topic, on that topic, may mga questions kang hindi mo matanong-tanong or nandyan lang for the longest time and gusto mong malaman ano yung kasagutan, then this is for you. Okay, so reach out. Let's open the Bible together. The study is free. Okay, and truth is worth it. Never trust a preacher blindly, not even me. The Bible is the standard, not me. Search the scriptures. If I speak true, please obey God. If I don't, please reject me. Remember, John 7:17, Acts 17:11.